Welcome to Artistic Documentation. I hope you will stay with us for Visualize Whole Work. Creating a product branding template that boosts customer loyalty involves a strategic, comprehensive, and emotionally intelligent approach to shaping how your brand is perceived, remembered, and trusted by customers over time. To begin, clearly define your brand's core identity. This includes your mission, vision, and values, as well as a unique selling proposition, USP, that communicates what makes your product stand out from the competition. Your brand should solve a problem, fulfill a desire, or enhance your customer's life in a meaningful way. Next, understand your target audience deeply through market research, customer personas, and behavioral data to tailor your branding elements in a way that resonates authentically with their needs, aspirations, and pain points. This understanding will influence every part of your branding template, from tone of voice and messaging to visuals and customer experience design. Consistency is key in branding, so your template must standardize core visual components, like logo design, typography, color palette, imagery style, packaging design, and layout structures, ensuring a uniform look and feel across all platforms including websites, social media, email campaigns, advertisements, and physical products. Equally important is the verbal identity of your brand, which includes tone of voice, key brand messages, taglines, and storytelling frameworks. Your brand story should be authentic, relatable, and emotional, drawing on the brand's history, its founder's passion, customer success stories, or the problem it solves, to forge a connection beyond the transactional. Trust is the foundation of loyalty, so ensure your brand consistently delivers on its promises, maintains transparency, and interacts with customers in a way that reflects its values. Include in your branding template protocols for brand-aligned customer service, content creation, and post-purchase engagement to reinforce trust and appreciation. Create opportunities for customer engagement through loyalty programs, exclusive access to offers or content, user-generated content campaigns, and community-building initiatives that make customers feel valued and connected to something larger than just a product. Your branding template should also provide guidelines for incorporating customer feedback into brand evolution, showing that you listen, care, and evolve based on their needs. A great template is not static, it should be flexible and scalable, with room to adapt as trends shift or new markets are targeted, while maintaining the brand's core essence. Include metrics and KPIs to evaluate branding performance, such as brand recall, customer retention rates, NPS, and customer lifetime value, so you can continually assess the impact of your branding on loyalty. Furthermore, emphasize emotional branding strategies by connecting with deeper human emotions like belonging, pride, aspiration, or nostalgia, which can powerfully differentiate your brand in a saturated market. Your branding should make customers feel like they are part of something they believe in, something that aligns with their identity or ideals. Finally, your product branding template should act as a master document, a brand Bible, that guides internal teams and external partners alike, ensuring that every piece of content, interaction, and experience is aligned with your brand's identity and purpose. When done right, this not only helps in attracting customers but also in retaining them over the long term, turning one-time buyers into loyal brand advocates who trust your product, align with your mission, and continuously engage with your offerings. Thanks for watching this video till the end.